Hey guys, welcome back to the Dusty Ranch. So if you saw my last short, you would see the error I had on the Accuset 2. So I think we've got that problem resolved in this video. We were also sawing some pretty nice oak logs. This particular log is a little bit knotty, but we still get a fair amount of 2x8s out of it. So join me, and I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll make a little sawdust. Got these beautiful white oak logs, particularly liking this one right here. Just a monster log, straight, no knots, about 8 foot long. And then this one right here, it probably is going to be firewood. We're going to cut these things into 2x6s, 2x8s. Just a beautiful setup. Logs here at the mill. So we're still running the sawmill with an error code. I talked to Wood-Mizer, Indiana, talked to the technician, electrical technician there earlier in the week. Those parts are being shipped out, still under warranty, but we've got to make forward progress, and so we'll just start cutting these logs. Thankfully, I still have forward and reverse. I still have up and down, and just don't have my Accuset functions, which is okay because we've got the scale here and we can use that. So let's get cutting some 8/4 stuff and just start whittling this big old white oak down to a more manageable size. If anybody wants to come help me off bear, now it's time. fun story. You guys saw that there was an error code on this log. You were also just propped up on this convoluted thing and watched me flip this log. And now we have a readout. So now I'm very curious as to what has happened. Let's see if we keep our readout. Auto up and down, manual, boom, boom. Most interesting. Something just got bounced back into place. All right, guys, so as I mentioned, I talked to Wood-Mizer Indianapolis, and they had sent those parts out to fix this thing. However, I sent those parts back because this log apparently fixed the problem for me. I called them back, and the fellow at Indianapolis Wood-Mizer and I decided that it was probably some kind of loose connection inside of the housing of the Accuset 2 there, and if the problem came back, take that cover off, dig in, and reconnect, pull connections apart, reconnect that wiring harness. We'll give it a shot. If it comes back, I hope it doesn't, but I got so excited that the Accuset 2 was working, I did not film the rest of sawing that log, so I apologize for that. However, I did get 34 2x8s out of that log and got those stacked up with stickers. And join us on the next video, and we will saw that big log, that 8-foot guy, and I'm going to video the entire process, including the stacking on that one. So I hope you guys enjoy that. If you gain some value, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you coming and hanging out with us. As always, keep it dusty. I had just put a brand new 747 blade on and trying these things out because the old Jarhead recommended them. 0.2 of an hour in on that blade, and I zipped through these two little guys.